Hello, outstanding kids. Welcome to class. Today, our topic is uneven distribution of resources. Now, previously in Book 3, we learned that climate, vegetations, and landforms of an area can affect the lives of people. This aspect of geography can affect the food people eat, the clothes they wear, and the way they earn a living. Now, for example, people who live around the or in the rainforest are more likely to grow and eat plantain and yams. They will do farming and fishing to earn a living. So people who live around the rainforest, their main occupation will be farming and fishing. People who live in a in or around the savannah region will grow and eat maize, and they will take rearing of animals as their occupation because there are lots of plants in such regions. And also, people who live in warmer climates like Africa dresses in light fabric, but people in colder countries like Europe dresses in wool fabric. So the climate determines the kind of dresses people put on. Now let's look at another aspect of geography that affects the lives of people, and that is amount of resources in a region. Now, what are resources? Resources are the things we need that make our way of life possible. So resources are those things that make life easy for us. We have natural resources. Natural resources. These are valuable when people find them to use. They are valuable when people find them to use. For example, when there was no car, petroleum was not valuable. But today it is valuable because there are a lot of cars everywhere. Now let's look at most valuable resources on earth. Most valuable resources on earth. They include air, sunlight, and water. These are valuable resources on earth. Without these resources, it will be people will not be able to survive. Without these resources, survival will be difficult. So that is why we say they are most valuable resources on earth: air, sunlight, and water. Now, other resources that are also important are land, industries, and natural energy. These are also resources, and these resources, land, industries, and natural energies, they increase the wealth of a country. Different region and countries have different resources. So notice that these other resources like land, industry, and natural energy increases the wealth of a country. Nigeria has crude oil and natural gas. Nigeria has crude oil and natural gas. Now, in the northern Nigeria, the mineral resources found are seen in Jos Plateau, for example, tin in Jos Plateau. And also in the southern Nigeria, limestone is found. Also in the south, wood and timber are found. Okay, we'll look at agricultural resources. In the north, crops like groundnut, cotton, etc. are grown. So the northerners grow mostly crops like groundnut, cotton, and others in the north. Now, in the south, what the agricultural resources or crops that are grown there are yam, oil palm, etc. We have lots of them, but these are few. Now let's look at some interactive questions. Dash is grown in the northern part of Nigeria. A. Groundnuts. B. Oil palm. C. Yam. The right option is A. Groundnuts is grown in the northern part of Nigeria. The next interactive question is Dash is not one of the most valuable resources. A. Air. B. Water. C. Clothes. The right option is C. Clothes. Now let's take a look at our assignments. Answer the activities on exercise 25 at the back of your textbook. When you're done, take a picture of your work and upload it to the portal for marking. See you in the next class. Bye.